Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I found this website called myintent.org, and it says our mission is to be a catalyst for meaningful conversations and positive energy in the world. And I got something that was $20, and you could make it say whatever you wanted. You could customize it however you felt, and yeah. So let me just show you what it is. I thought it was kind of neat. So you guys might remember that my word of the year is strong. So I asked for that to be put on, and what they do is they put it on a little washer, and then you can pick the cord color. And this says it was handcrafted with love by Crystal. And so you can put your word on here, whatever it is that you want it to be, and they'll even do 2 words. I've seen them. I don't know, that could be a little bit more, but mine was a straight 20 bucks. I don't even think I had to pay shipping. Nope, shipping was free. So it was just 20 bucks, and I mean, that's kind of a lot of money for a bracelet, but when it's customized, and because my word of the year is strong, I thought that would be cool to put on a bracelet. So I hate to try it on because I have such big wrists. I don't even know if it will fit, but oh, it will fit. They've made them extra big. Thank goodness. So yeah, I don't know how I'm going to wear it yet, or if I'm going to wear it all the time, or if I might just carry it in my purse, or what. I don't know. Okay, so there. And it says strong. And I kind of like that, just to remind myself that I just need to be strong. So yeah, check it out. It's myintent.org. And yeah, like I said, and they have some that are pre-done, and you can get necklaces, you can get all sorts of different things. So, oh, I mean, I really like it. And it has the website on the back. So when someone asks you, where'd you get that, you can tell them. So that's neat. And then they also said that if you wrote what your intention was or why you picked that word, they would think about that as they were making it. So I said that my story is that I'm beginning my weight loss journey with weight loss surgery, and this one is going to be the last. I'm strong enough to do it. I'm going to be strong in my journey, strong in my relationships with God, my family, my work, my friends. I've got this. So that was my intention, and I like that they thought about that when they were putting it together for me. So pretty cool. So I don't know where I'm going to wear it yet. It's almost big enough that you could maybe wear it as an anklet if you wanted to too. I don't know, but then nobody would see it. So I like it. I like the idea of having it on my wrist. So yeah. And I know my finger is all jacked up from my ring. I'm afraid this one will be too. I don't know. I haven't really taken it off yet, but my finger, I'm allergic to like all things metal, so any sort of metal, even precious metals. So well, that one's not so bad, but goodness, the indentation is crazy. But yeah, I didn't realize that was looking so bad. Woo wee, yuck. So pardon me. Maybe I should put this over there. Oh nope, I can't get it. All right, well, enough of that about that. But yeah, check it out, and I hope that you guys like it. Thanks so much. Bye bye.